guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be looking at some new Kredioo gels. So this is a pack of 6. You've got Krediyoo's contact information there. So these are Chameleon Glitter gel polishes and they're beautiful. Wait till you see these. So inside the box looks like that. You've got your instruction manual. Got a little bit of nail prep, gel application and gel removal, Q&As, tips. Got it in all different languages as well, which is really helpful. So who's ready to see these beautiful gels? So they are all in order. This is the black, because these need to be applied over a black. Actually, they don't have to be applied over a black, but you get the better effect when they're applied over a black. So I really like that they've put a black in here. So that's C001 is the black. And then these are all the Chameleon Glitter gels. So I'm going to give them a swatch to start with. And then I want to do a little design using them. So instead of painting all my swatch sticks black, I've pulled out a black swatch sticks. You get 7.5ml in glass bottles, which you guys know I prefer. You've got your ingredients on the back there. If anyone wants to see those. Right, let's get these swatched, shall we? First one is a B043. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, wow. These look stunning. Oh, wow. Wow. Cram-packed with glitter as well. Look at that for one coat. Look at the colour shift. That is beautiful. You often find with these glitter gels that you need a couple of coats, but these are that cram-packed with glitter. One coat is plenty. So I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Next one is B044. Oh, that's pretty. And not only are these beautiful, guys, but they're also really good quality as well. They are 11 toxin free, they are cruelty free, and they're vegan friendly as well. I don't think you're going to get a good quality gel at such a reasonable price as this. That colour shift is stunning. Look at that. We've got turquoises, we've got dark blues, we've got greens. That is really, really beautiful. Next one is B045. Oh, wow, look at this. Look at that. Look at the colours. You know I'm definitely going to be doing a galaxy set today with these, don't you? I know I've already done a galaxy set recently, but these are screaming galaxy nails, aren't they? Give that a cure. Next one is a B046. Ooh, look at that one. I love that golden colour shift, what it's got. Gorgeous. And then lastly, B047. Look at that one. Look at that. And that is them all swatched. I have given them a coat of shiny top coat and a coat of matte top coat. Oh, look at this one in matte, guys. I really like that one in matte. They are stunning, aren't they? Really, really pretty, unusual gels. I likes them. I didn't bother swatching the black because it's a black, and I'm going to be using the black in this set anyway, so you'll see what the black's like when I come to use it. Yeah, I'm well happy with them. I do really like these kind of unusual colours. I think this is definitely my favourite. It's beautiful. Right, so that's them all swatched. Let's get a design done with them now, shall we? Like I said earlier, I'm going to do a galaxy design. So I've pulled out 4 tips. The pointer finger and the ring finger is going to be the exact same, so I'll just show you me doing the one nail of those. And I'm going to start off by doing a nail bed with this Kredioo gel polish colour D3. Now, because this is a milky gel, I am going to have to do a couple of coats. But it is a really nice nail bed colour. So on the middle finger, I'm going to do a full coat of the black C001. Oh wow, that black is a black. Really black. When you are applying a black gel polish, guys, make sure you do it super thin, because if that light can't penetrate through all the way, you'll get wrinkling. So make sure you do a nice thin coat. Give that a cure. I'm going to do the same on the pinky nail as well. That cure. Now on these 2 nail bed nails, I want to use that black on this free edge. Right, give those a cure. So on the pinky nail, I'm just going to do a full glitter nail using B044. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Pop that in the lamp. Now on this middle nail, I think to start with, I want to give it a coat of B047. And give that a cure. On these two, I want to do the same. So, coat of B047, but I'm just going to apply that only to the black area. Like that. And on top of this middle nail, I want to add little bits of B045, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do this yet. Whether I'm just going to do like streaky bits like this maybe. Yeah, like that. Give that a cure. Then we're going to do the same as what we did on that middle nail. Just do a couple of little swirly bits. Like that. Give that a cure. And then I also want to add a little bit of this glitter as well. A little bit like that. Give that a cure. Again, same on this one as we've done on the middle. Just add a little bit of glitter here and there. Give that a cure. That's all the background done. Now we're going to do a couple of planets. So I'm going to do one planet with this B046. So if I'm using B046, I'm going to have to put a black down first to get that beautiful purple colour. So I'm just going to pop that on there, get my dotting tool. Give that a cure. Do the same on this one. Give that a cure. Now we can go over that black with B046, get that gorgeous purple effect. Give that a cure. I've pulled out a Kredioo gold cat eye. I'm going to use that for another planet. Now I've pulled out this Kredioo liner gel L28, which is an orange. Now, I haven't got a white gel paint from Kredioo, so I've just pulled out another brand, and I'm going to be doing some 4 pointed stars. So I'll just make a dot in the middle to start with my dotting tool, and then I pull from the middle upwards, then the middle downwards, and then the middle left, middle right, and there's your 4 pointed star. Just like that. And that is the nails all finished, guys. What do you think? As you can see, I've given them a matte top coat and I've left this glitter nail shiny. Look at that glitter, guys. Beautiful, isn't it? love the colour shifts on that glitter. So many different shifts to it. And you know what I do really like about this glitter gel as well? It lays so flat. Like, it didn't need encapsulating or anything. It just laid super, super flat. Yeah, it's a really, really nice glitter gel. And that nude milky gel is a beautiful nail bed colour, isn't it? I really, really like these milky gels for nail beds at the moment. Yeah, I like them. I think they're well cute. Let's have a quick look at the swatches again one more time. So we've got B043, B044, B045, B046, B047. They are really, really smart, aren't they? I really like them. Well happy with them. I think this is going to be perfect for autumn. It's giving me real autumn vibes, that is. And I think they'll be pretty cool for Halloween as well. This would be a really nice colour for like winter nails. Yeah, I like them. Well happy with them. Thank you so much, Kredioo, for sending these for us to take a look at. And then again, that is the Galaxy design. I really, really like them. So that is everything for today's video, guys. So these are available on the Kredioo Amazon store. I have got a discount code for that store. I'll leave it pinned in my comments along with the link to the store. So that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.